everyone, welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to start solving linear equations. So what is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation with one unknown. So if we look at this question, part 1, find the value of the unknown. So the unknown for question 1 is x, this is the unknown value. Linear equation, remember, is an equation with one unknown. Okay, so we have x here also, which is the unknown. We have c is our unknown and b is our unknown. So let's start solving the questions. So if we look at question 1, so if we need to find the value of x, which is very easy, let me just explain something to you. There are many methods to solve it, but let us be realistic. Okay, so x means our missing number. So which value do we need to add to 12 to give us 25? So we all agree that 13, right? 13 plus 12 is 25. So this implies x is equals to 13. So x is 13. But another way of solving it for linear equation, if we have x, which is our unknown, and we need to look for x, the unknown, this is plus 12. This plus 12, when it causes the equal sign, the sign need to change. If it is plus, the sign will change to minus. So we can take this plus 12 here and it will become minus. So if we do that, so we are going to have 25. When the plus causes the equal sign, it will change to minus 12. So we are going to, x will be equals to 25 minus 12. So x will be equals to 13. So the same, if we want to solve this, which number for question 2, which number minus 10 is equals to 30? So you agree with me that 40 minus 10 is 30. So this means x is equals to 40. But if you want to really solve it following the step, we have x should be equals to, we are going to take this minus 10. When it causes the equal sign, it will change to plus. The sign will always change when it causes the equal sign. So the sign will be opposite. If it is negative, the sign will be positive. So this will be, x will be equals to this 30. We'll take this is minus 10. When it causes, it becomes plus 10. Plus 10. So x will be equals to 40. That's it. Let's look at our second question. Now in question 3 we have like terms. Question 3 we have like terms. We can add 4 plus 12. So c plus, if we add 4 plus 12, it will give us 16. Should be equals to 36. So remember, this is plus 16. We want c to be alone because we are looking for the unknown. So if c is alone, then we are going to have 36. This is plus 16. When it causes, it becomes minus 16. When it causes the equal sign, minus 16. So this implies c will be equals to 20. Let's look for our next question, which is question 4. So for question 4, we are asked to look for b. So our unknown here is b. Okay, so we want to simplify this value first. Okay, so we are going to have b. Now ask yourself this question. This is minus 9 plus 21. So minus 9 plus 21. So we can also say this is the same as 21 minus 9. Plus 21 is 21. 21 minus 9. What is 21 minus 9? We are going to have 12. It's 12 plus 12. Then if we have 43 minus 14. 43 minus 14 will give us 29. So b will be equals to 29 minus 12. This implies b will be equals to 17. So that is our answer for b. Thanks for watching.